understand what is IO package and how to work with IO classes, input output classes, right? So I'll just explain one example here. I just give a name here, say class IO example. Okay. Inside this, consider you want to make a directory here. You make a file here. You want to access some file, right? So we have a file class. Say file f equal to new file. Okay. And here you can just pass some kind of argument, args, the argument which we have, say 0 argument. Okay, 0 argument, right? Now I say if f dot mkdir, make directory, right? If it is created, give a message system order print line and say folder created. Okay, I'll have a message what here, say folder created. If it is not, just say else. Okay, and paste it here and say folder already exists, folder already exists, right? Save it here. What the name you will give? IO example, right? Or I give a different name, say my mkdir, right? My mkdir, I'm giving the name here, and say save it, give a name here, right? My mkdir, save. Okay, we have saved this file. Now I'll just open this file here. Look it now, the file which we have made in okay, so these are the files we have in this folder, right? Now put it here and open the command prompt, and this time I say java c, what was that, my mkdir, right? Compile it. It is giving error, the file class is not exist, something like. So you need to import a package here, that import java.io.star. Okay, compile it, done. Now put this file here. Now this time say java my mkdir, right? Here I have to pass command line argument, say hello. Now what this guy will do, this it will take hello and it will pass to my code, and the method is your mkdir. It will create a folder. Look it now. So folder will get created here. What you have noticed, hello folder is getting created, right? And message coming, folder created. If you say hello 2, enter. So hello 2 is getting created, right? So you can make all the commands. You can make your own commands, like you're having copy command, mkdir command, ls command. All you can make in Java, right? And you can use it here. If you want to make a file here, so you can just use create new file. It will create it. Let us have another example. Okay, I'll just say file new Java, and this time I'll give IO example here. Example, okay. Copy and save it here. Paste it and save. Okay. Now in this, what we are going to do, we are using file output stream, file output stream here, f equal to new file output stream. Okay, here pass the file name here, say file name is my hello.txt. Okay, if I'm using this class, I need to import the package the same, import java.io.star here. Okay, and here you can say just check it out what it does here. Okay, so we'll just compile it, and this time I say here io example.java. So you must have a file not found exception, so you need to throws exception here. So I'm just writing here throws io exception. Okay, save it. Now compile. Once you compile, the class file is getting generated here, right? Now try to execute this program. Java, right? What you're finding here in this location, one file is getting created, hello.txt. What is this having? Nothing. Right now there's no content here, right? Because I have not written anything in the file. Okay, come to the code. So this line is doing what? It is just creating a file if it is not existing. Okay, and here I say I want to write something to the file. So simply I can use f.write. But this guy always take byte only. So consider you are having a string s equal to, I just say hi, I am James Bond. Okay, so here I need to pass the byte here. So what you will do, you can do like this also, byte b equal to s dot get bytes. You just understood in the string stuff, and then pass it b. You could have written directly s dot get bytes here itself, and that will get written, and then say f dot close. So closing the file here, right? Save it, compile this code, and run the program. So right now you have noticed here there is nothing written here, right? Now just compile, sorry, run, and now try to open this file. What you're getting, hi, I am James Bond is written. If I again run this file, say, and if I open, same. So it is not appending the value, right? It is just keep creating and writing this value. If I want to append, I have to write true here, then compile it, and just go to the file here, run the code. Now see here, it has been appended the same string again, right? Again you try, and again you open it, again it has been appended. So it is keep appending the string sequentially here, right? Okay, now what I don't want to go to the folders and just open the file and see. I want to see here only on the command prompt. Once I run this program and say enter, it should display here itself what are the content in the file. So you mean you want to read the file, right? So what you have to do here, you have to write file input stream, not file output stream, f1 equal to new file input stream, and say here the same file you need to write here .txt hello.txt here, because from you want to read from that file, right? And say here string s, no, you have to just say here f1 dot read. So it will read where? You have to pass some kind of byte only, right? So you need to say here byte b1 equal to new byte. What is the size of byte? What is the size of byte? I don't know how much character is written in the file. So we can say f1 dot available. Okay. So if it is f1 dot available, it gives the size of this file, and that much size of byte is getting allocated, the memory only. Once we pass it b1, so all the data will come to b1. And then say here f1 dot close here. Okay. And now you can display the b1. How? Just write here system dot out dot println and say new string, convert to string this b1 and display it. It's done. Compile it, read it. So you are finding that all the line it is displaying here, right? Now I needed to go to the file and see what is written here. Understood? Let us delete this file. Deleted. Again I execute. So only one line written because file was not there, right? So I have understood the file output stream and file input stream here, right? If I want to delete the file, okay, if I want to delete the file, what will do here? So you have noticed here the file is there, right? So I can use file class here. I say file f equal to file ff equal to new file. Which file? The hello.txt, right? And then ff dot delete. It will delete the file here. Check it out. Now this is your file. It is already there, right? Now compile this code and run once. So what this guy will do, it will write the code, write the content in the file, and then open and read the file and then delete it. So it will go. So hello is gone, right? Have you noticed that? So this is what we have: file output stream and file input stream. If I comment this line, okay, it will be remain there in the location. Oh, I need to compile it once again. So file is there, right? Okay. Now there's another concept we have in IO package, random access file. These all guys write sequentially, but there's one class, random access file, which help you to say here r rfa, okay, equal to new random access file, pass it here, right? Now here give a file name. Let us give another name, say here hello2.txt and comma. Now in what mode you want to open the file? So R means read mode. You can say RW means read write mode. So this class will help you to do both read and write. But here you have seen this was helping me to write, this was helping me to read. Okay. Now fa dot you want to write, just say write, and you can pass it here itself, string. I want to write hi I am I am Tom, like this, dot get bytes. You can write like this also. In the previous you have seen that I declare a string and then I declare byte array and then I say this. I could have written here I am James1 dot get bytes. It's enough. Like here I have done. So this is a string. It will get each and every byte of this string and write it. Okay. Save. Let us see this output. Now check it out the folders. hello2.txt. So I'm getting hi I am Tom, right? Now fa dot length, what is the size of file? You just print it. So system out dot print line here you have to do. Okay. Right. Now if I do here fa dot seek, seek means with the help of seek method I can put my pointers on certain position in the file. Randomly we can write. So I say fa dot seek what? Fa dot seek, I just say 0 1 2 3. Okay, say 3. So it will go to the position 3 now. And you say fa dot right here, you just say here u. Okay, dot get bytes, right? So let us check here. Now you can see the file here. Let me just open it again. hello2.txt. So instead of I, it is coming u, right? Are you getting here? So this value is coming here, not here, because I just went to third position and writing u, right? If you want to check where is my pointers in the file, then you can use this function here and say here fa dot get file pointer. Okay, check it out. It is telling that it is on the total is 11 here, right? Length of the file is 11, but the position is now 6 because I went to third position and then we have written u, so 3 plus 3 6. So my pointer is on the position 6, right? So you understood the random access file, you understood the file class, file output stream, file input stream, right? So there are two type of stream is maintained in Java, as we know. One is the byte stream and second is the character stream. So if you want to write here or just notice the file which we have, or let me do this first. If you want to make a writer class, so you can use file writer fw equal to new file writer. Okay, and then say here fw dot write. What write? I just do like this simply. I just say char ch equal to, right, and I say here a comma b, right, and say comma c here. comma D. Suppose this is the array we have, and simply we are writing this array. So I could have taken 2char array. That is the problem here. Yes. Well, we'll do that one also. So I just go to the app tribe cd Isaac Java demo, right? And Java C IO example.java. Okay. Now run the program here. And just check the file here, hello3.txt. So abcd is written, right? But what is the size of this? 4 bytes, right? Good. Now what was the alternative here? I just say here, just come string s3 equal to, say hi James, come here, suppose. Okay, I want to write this one. So you can simply could have done like this, ch1 equal to s3 dot to char array, so it will come as a character array, and then you can pass here ch1. So it will not write this, it will write this one, second one. Now you can try this, right? Good. Now we can check the file here. So hi James, come here is coming, right? Okay. So that's all about IO package. There are several classes we are having. You have to just explore that.